How to add a drop-down menu to your Shopify store. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can add a drop-down menu to your Shopify store. So first you have to click this online store option. Here you can see that you get this option of navigation. You have to click this option, and once you click this option you're going to land over here and you get these menus option. You have to choose this main menu option, and once you click this main menu, here you can see that you can add menu items if you want to, and these are some menu items that are already available. You can edit them or delete them, or you can just leave them and add a menu item of your own. I'm going to delete this contact option and remove this, and I'm going to add menu item. Like I'm going to add men, and here I'm going to search or paste a link. I'm going to go to collection, and here I'm going to just paste a link like all collections, and I'm going to click add. Now the second option I'm going to add is jackets, and here you can see that I pasted jackets over here, and now just search for any product or collections and you can just paste it over here, click all products and click add. And then how you can just choose to make this a drop down menu, go to these dots that you can see over here building up and just hold these dots, and once you go up or here you can see that this blue bar is appearing. You can just slide it to the right, and here you just leave it over here, and this is added as a drop down menu. Now if you go to your site and you click men option, it's going to appear as a drop down menu. So that's how you can create or make a drop down menu for your Shopify store. I hope you liked the process and found it easy, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.